Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Watchwire News. I'm your host today. You might have heard the buzz about a certain Apple Watch being the go-to fitness tracker for many. But what if we told you there's a simpler, more budget-friendly alternative that's been flying under the radar? That's right, folks. We're talking about the Fitbit Inspire 3. This little-known gem has won over the hearts of many real-life users who swear by its simplicity and effectiveness. One reviewer summed it up perfectly. "I got the Inspire 3 and it's so much better. It has basically all the same functionality of the Apple Watch, except for the outgoing messages and calls capability." That's right, folks. You get most of the features you need to stay on top of your fitness game without breaking the bank. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this Fitbit so special. First off, its slim profile is a major win, especially compared to its pricier Apple Watch counterpart that's often described as bulky and unnecessary. The Inspire 3 packs in features like text call notifications, heart rate monitoring, and oxygen tracking, all without the hefty price tag. But don't just take our word for it. Real users are singing its praises. "I thought I would love my Apple Watch, but I found myself not using the features very much," says one reviewer who made the switch back to Fitbit and is now obsessed with her new watch. And she's not alone, folks. The Fitbit Inspire 3 also boasts impressive battery life that lasts several days on a single charge, even with continuous heart rate monitoring. Plus, its seamless integration with the Fitbit app gives you detailed insights into your health metrics and progress over time. In short, if you're looking for a fitness tracker that delivers without the hefty price tag, the Fitbit Inspire 3 is definitely worth considering. Trust us, folks, this one's a real deal.